everyday cooking dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. Today we're doing blackened chicken, right? We're gonna do blackened chicken breast, right? We got our fettuccine, right? Our fettuccine nest. We got some broccoli, we got garlic, we got cheese, and we got our whipped cream. So easy schmeezy. This is a quick dinner, comes together probably in less than 30 minutes, but we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're gonna get started on our chicken. And as you can see, the chicken is a little bit flatter on this side than it is here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut these in half. Let's just take some of this fat off first. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut this in half. Don't be afraid to cut yourself. Just put your hand here, and we're gonna slide right down the middle. Gotta have a sharp knife for this. That's it, guys. We got two pieces. All right, guys, so we're gonna do this the second time. We're gonna go right down the middle. So we have even pieces. There you go. All right, so the next step is we're gonna get a plastic bag and we're gonna flatten these out a little bit. Be right back. All right, guys, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put our bag, chicken in the bag, and then we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice little pound. All right, we don't wanna use this side, obviously, right? We're gonna use the flat side. We're just gonna flatten this out so they're all nice and even. Let's take it out, see what we got. So we have a nice even piece of meat. This side is still a little smaller, but that's fine. All right, so we got a nice even piece of meat. I'm gonna do that to the rest of these, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we've got our chicken all flattened out, right? We got one that's a little bit smaller. That's fine, right? That'll probably be lunch. And we're gonna take our chicken bouillon, and we're just gonna give it a little bit of extra chicken flavor. Give this a nice rub. Okay, so now we got our chicken all rubbed down, and we're gonna let this sit for at least 5 minutes, right? We're gonna let this sit for at least 5 minutes so that the chicken bouillon will actually absorb into the chicken. So we'll be back. All right, guys, so it's been 5 minutes now, and we're gonna go in with our blackening, Carl's blackening from Kinder. So just gonna put it on. It's not anything special, right? All right, and then I'm gonna hit these with a little bit of avocado oil. Not too much, right? We're gonna give these a nice rub. All right, guys, so we got our gloves. I just didn't feel like getting all the seasoning all over my hands, right? Really get this in there. All right, guys, so our chicken is done. I'm just gonna put these in here for now. And then I'm gonna clean this board up and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so real quick, just gonna grate our Parmesan cheese. You always wanna grate your own Parmesan cheese, right? Because the one that comes in the bag has like a coating to make it sure that they don't stick together. And it just tastes better. All right, so we got our cheese done, right? We got our broccoli cut up, right? So we're gonna have nice little pieces of broccoli in our fettuccine. Now I just wanna heat the broccoli through, right? Because it's gonna kind of cook in the sauce a little bit. So I want it a little crunchy. I don't want it soft, but I don't want it, hard either. So right in between. So we're gonna take care of this in a pan with some water. Now I'm gonna put a top on it. All right, guys, so we're gonna get started on our fettuccine nest. It looks cute, isn't it? Right? But we're gonna take that and follow the package directions, which it says after the water's boiling, it takes 5 minutes. So the sauce will be done, the chicken will be done, and we'll put these in, and the chicken should be resting at that point. So cute, right? Hopefully they sell it by you. All right, guys, so Our chicken has been sitting, I don't know, I'd say took me 10 minutes or so to get the water started, chop up the garlic and the broccoli, and shred the cheese. So we're gonna go down with a little bit of avocado oil. Alright guys, the pan is really starting to smoke and I want to get a really nice sear. So as I put the pieces in, I'm going to put them in one at a time because I don't want to drop the temperature of the pan down too low, and then some of them are going to be more seared than the others. So I think this is good, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with the first one. I'm going to go in with this second one, which is a little smaller. Now I'll do 3. I'll go all 4. Why not, right? And we're gonna let that sit. So we're gonna go probably about 3 minutes or so on each side. We're also gonna check it with the our temperature probe. So, all right, guys, it's been about 2 minutes, almost 3 now. And give these a nice flip. Not too bad, right? Not too bad, right? We're going to let this go on this side for like a minute or so, and then we're going to go in with some butter, and we're going to go in with the garlic. All right, guys, it's been a minute or so, just going to check to see where we're at. 210, 135. This is a small one. All right, guys, you got to really invest in one of these, right? Because this way you'll know when your chicken is done, right? You don't want to guess, right? You can push on it, and if it feels firm, then you know it's done. Doesn't feel like raw meat. That's a good way to do it if you don't have one. But, all right, so guys, I'm going to go in with the butter. About a half a stick of butter. And I'm going to turn the pan down. Alright guys, and now we're just going to go in with the garlic. And guys, I guess if you don't like garlic, you can leave that out, right? Alright guys, so we're just going to put this on top a little bit. Just kind of get this butter on top of our chicken. Alright guys, our water's about to come to a boil. This chicken, let's just check out temperature on the chicken. We should be really close right now, right? We should be over 165. 143. So we still got a little bit cooking to do here. So we'll do the basting 1 or 2 more times until we come up to temp. And I'm just going to turn this pan up just a little bit. Alright guys, so we're going to get started on our Alfredo sauce. So we got our heavy cream. 1 cup. I'm going to go 2 cups. So 2 cups, right? And we're just going to start to let this heat through. And we'll be right back. We'll put our cheese in. Alright guys, our cream is heated through, and we're just going to go in with some cheese. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. Now, why would you want to buy the stuff in a bottle? I know it's easier, right? But this is going to taste so much better. You have so much more control over what you're eating, right? Alright guys, so we're going to give this a taste. I know it's a plastic spoon, but hey. Give this a taste, see what it tastes like. See if we need any salt or pepper. Guys, this is good just the way it is. But I am going to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Just a little bit, not too much. And guys, always, right, you put the salt in, don't just taste it right away. You got to give that a chance to dissolve in there. Don't just spin it once or twice and then say, and taste it again, because it's going to turn out to be too salty. We're going to say our sauce is done here, right? And we're going to work on our pasta. I'm not going to show you pasta, guys, because the pasta is just going to go straight into this pot. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, so our pasta is done, right? Now we're just gonna go straight, right? We're gonna straight from we're not gonna strain it or anything. We're going straight from the pasta water right into our sauce. Right into our sauce. We're just gonna let it drain off a little bit and right into our sauce. It's gonna loosen up our sauce a little bit, but that's just fine, right? All right, guys, so we're just gonna give this a quick mix. I might have to make some more, because this is probably just enough for me right here. I'm gonna leave a few out for the thumbnail, so we make sure we have some. All right, guys, and there goes our Alfredo sauce, right? Nice. All right, so let's get this all together and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here's our chicken. I'll give you guys a quick fly over the chicken. Guys, this chicken came out good. Look at that. That blackened chicken with the garlic butter. That is delicious. But we're just gonna go ahead and slice this up so we can put it on top of our pasta. All right, guys, so I don't know if I hit record or not, but here's our chicken. I sliced up our chicken. It's looking really good, guys. Nice and juicy. I don't know if you can see that. But we're gonna put this on top of our pasta. And then down with our chicken. And guys, this is it. This is dinner. Right? It doesn't get much better than this. Right? Take a look at that. Yep. There we go. Guys, let me give you guys a flyover. Now our food is done. We're ready to eat. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.